Hi, students. Let's take a look at the Science Interactive Lab Safety Lab. Once again, this is under the prerequisites, and so these are things that you have to complete in order to get down to these labs down at the bottom. This particular one, and most of these prerequisites, it does not require the lab kit. So if your lab kit has not arrived yet, that's okay. We're going to start through this exploration section. Now, they've given you an idea of how long this should take. These are pretty conservative estimates. You can probably complete this in a little bit less time than that. But for each one of these, it's going through a lot of information about how to handle chemical safety and where you find information about the chemical. How do you dispose of the chemical? What do you do if some of the chemical gets on you? There's just a lot of really important safety things, and to try to get you thinking about where you're going to be doing these labs in your home and how you can do them safely. So you'll want to go through each one of these tabs. Some of them have a test your knowledge and some of them do not. After that, you go over here to the experimentation section. You're going to go through each one of these tabs. This does actually ask you to go to the internet and find some safety data sheets and enter in some of the information off of those safety data sheets. There is a safety video and a safety contract, just to let your instructor know that you are going to follow all the safety recommendations in these labs. Okay, and then just like last time, at the end, it does produce a final report for you, and it offers to let you download a PDF, but it's sending all this information to your instructor as you go. This is the lab safety lab. I do feel like this one's pretty straightforward, but you want to follow each one of those tabs, go through all the left to right, top to bottom, through all of those tabs across the top.